The Cuisinart Verticle Waffle Maker has a clear advantage. It's easy to store and has a small footprint. It's Loctite latch and stay cool handle and a wide mouth that allows you to pour the batter in vertically. Now we're going to be preparing a gluten-free waffle. And gluten-free doesn't mean flavor-free. We can add whatever we want on top of this incredible recipe. Now what we're going to use is some millet flour, some tapioca starch, and some milk powder, and that will allow us to get some of the same textures that we love. Now I'm going to put together the dry ingredients and wet ingredients separately, and that's critical to ensuring even distribution of all the ingredients. The millet flour is going to be much sweeter than all-purpose, much the same as whole wheat. And then the use of tapioca starch, which comes from the cassava root, is going to bring it together in a very familiar way, much the same as gluten. With my batter rested, I'll use the made-to-measure cup for a perfect fill every time. Simply fill the cup and pour. The audio cue on the Cuisinart Vertical Waffle Maker makes it easy to know when the waffles are finished. This gluten-free waffle is ready to serve. I've got some fresh strawberries and I've quartered some blueberries, whatever's in season or whatever's available. And I'm going to finish with some pure maple syrup and just a light dusting of confectioner's sugar.